Let's make Gnome's tea time. This is a stirred drink, so we're going to stir it. I'm going to start with my honey syrup. I'm going to put 1/3 of an ounce of honey syrup in here. 1/3 of an ounce is 10 milliliters. 2 ounces of your rum. 2 ounces is 60 milliliters. And finally, your Gnome's Tavern Earl Grey bitters. I'm going to suggest 2 ounces. That's normally what I put in here, so that's 2 ounces. 2 dashes. 1, 2, and 1 for the gnome. So 3. 2 to 3, whatever you like. We're going to add our ice and give it a stir. Now I'm going to grab my strainer. Strainer in hand, I'm going to grab a big chunk of ice. I'll be right back with you. Here's my big chunk of ice. It is silicone skull molds from my friend Will. Thank you, Will. I love using these things. I don't love getting them out of the molds, but that's the price you pay for beauty. I'm going to put that in my glass, and then I'm going to strain my drink over that ice. Set this aside and garnish. Garnish is going to be a twist of orange. Express, wipe, and drop. And there you have it, the Gnome's Tea Time. Drink with good spirits.